May 10th, a date that now carries a meaning in Pakistan. A date the country officially claims Youm-e-Marka-e-Haq, the day of the battle for the truth. For millions of Pakistanis, it is being presented a more than a military memory. It is being framed as a symbol of the resistance, sacrifices, and the national resolve. According to Pakistan's official statements, the crisis began in early May 2025. Pakistan says Indian missiles strikes hit targets inside Pakistani territory. Official status that the civilians were killed, including women and the children. That moment, Pakistan says changed everything. And then came the response. A retaliatory military campaign Pakistan named Operation Bunyan-un-Marsoos, a phrase meaning a wall of a street. In Pakistan's official narrative, this was not described as the random counter-bomb. It was presented as a careful, coordinated military response involving the army, the air force, and the navy. Pakistan claims that during this operation, several military targets inside India were struck. Among the places publicly mentioned by Pakistani officials were Pathankot, Udhampur, Srinagar, Jammu, Bathinda, Sirsa, and Ambala. Pakistan says these strikes targeted military infrastructure, command facilities, and logistics positions. One of the most striking claims made by Pakistan involved India's S-400 air defense system. Pakistan stated that S-400 batteries at Adhampur and Bhujpur were successfully hit. If true, this would respond a major symbolic and strategic moment, because S-400 is considered one of the most advanced air defense systems in the world. Pakistan also claimed that the facilities linked to BrahMos missiles storage were targeted. According to Pakistan, these were connected to attacks that had caused civilians casualties. But Pakistan says this conflict was not fought only with the missiles. Officials also claimed that the cyber operations form part of the response. According to the Pakistan's narrative, systems supporting India's military operations were disrupted. Pakistan further said its drone operations demonstrated reach deep into the sensitive areas, not as random attacks, but as signals of the difference, signals that the Pakistan says were meant to show capability without wanting conflict. For Pakistan, one of the biggest claims was not only what we struck, but how it was done. Official describes the operations as rare examples of the integrated warfare: missiles, drones, air power, artillery, cyber capability, all working together in a single coordinated response. Pakistan presents this as a proof that the modern warfare is changing and that it believes it's demonstrated the change. But Youm-e-Marka-e-Haq is not presented only a military story. It's also a story of the loss. Pakistan says soldiers and the civilians gave their lives during the escalations. And that's why every year on May 10th, official ceremonies now included prayers, tributes to the military and the members of those who never came back home. For the families who lost loved ones, this day is not about headlines. It's about memory. Of course, many of these claims have been contested internationally. Different countries tell different versions of the conflict. This is the reality of the modern warfare. But inside Pakistan, the message is clear. Remember, as the day of Pakistan says, it is stood firm. The day it answered forces with the force. The day it turned a moment of the crisis into a symbol of the national pride. And that's why for Pakistanis, Youm-e-Marka-e-Haq is not just a date on the calendar. It's a statement, a memory, and a reminder that nations do not only remember victory, they remember the moments that defines who they believe they are.